In today's video, I am going to show you how to contact ConvertKit quickly and easily. Start by opening your web browser and going to convertkit.com. Log into your account or create one if you haven't already. Once you're on your dashboard, look to the top right corner where your name appears. Click on it and a menu will appear. Select Help. A help window will pop up in the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you will see options like Home, Help and Messages. The Help section contains a wide range of articles covering frequently asked questions and common issues. It's a great place to see if your question is already answered before reaching out. If you can't find the answer in the articles, you can send a direct message to the ConvertKit support team through this window. This is the best way to get personalized help for specific questions or challenges. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to access ConvertKit support and get assistance efficiently. Thanks for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more ConvertKit tutorials.